introduce the respiration in plants. So let's see what is actually respiration. All of us breathe to live. Actually, what is breathing or what is respiration? Here in this chapter we are going to introduce cellular respiration and respiratory substrates. Any energy or energy is the basic unit for living. So for energy, to get energy, we need to breathe. And while breathing, we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide in case of animals. But what in case of plants? In case of plants, they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So oxygen is the byproduct in case of the plants. Plants are the only thing or only living organism that prepare their own food, and thus they are known as autotrophs. They prepare their food by photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is nothing but preparing their food with the help of water, carbohydrates, with the help of their pigment, that is chlorophyll, in the presence of sunlight. So any biomolecule that they take as their basic substrate or the food particles are converted into carbohydrates, that is sucrose, glucose, fructose, or any biomolecule, any sugars, and they are finally broken down, and thus they are absorbed inside their body. This is what happens in the case of animals. Here, the first term is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is nothing but it is the breaking down of food materials within the cell to release ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, and they are the energy units, and they are in any case, that is in the case of plants or in the case of animals, ATPs are stored inside the mitochondria, and thus the mitochondria are actually known as powerhouse for the cell. So the respiration is nothing but it is the breaking down of carbon-carbon bonds of the complex compounds like any carbohydrates, leading to the release of considerable amount of energy, and this is called respiration. And the compounds which are oxidized while the process is known as respiratory substrates. So altogether, while concluding, we need to understand that the basic need for the respiration is not only to breathe but to break down the food materials to release energy, and these energy released are absorbed in our body in different cells, tissues, and finally into the organ system. Thank you.